lovers, it's your girl here, Bibiana. As I've already taken you through the ingredients that we need for plantain porridge, let's get cooking, baby lovers. Guys, the Port Harcourt people, they call it KKF. The Calabas, or should I say the Aqua Cross, call it Nkamukom. Okay, a lot of people love using unripe plantain. It's supposed to be made with unripe plantain. But since this is for my household and I'm making it for my kids, they won't like the unripe plantain, so I have to use the not fully ripe plantain. So you are free to use the unripe plantain for your own, okay? Alright, so most of you know the health benefit for unripe plantain, right? One of the health benefits that I know is it provides lots of iron. Okay, so you're cutting it into this cube, not too big, not too small. Feel free to add, make yours bigger. Okay. Oh, before you ask, my plantain is already washed. I've washed plantain. Guess what, guys? Look, I have twins. What does this mean? Does this mean that my next children will be twins? Anyway, those are midwives' tales in Nigeria. The things I need to be done. Who did it? go.